blew one last week.
Uh-oh.
It was nasty too.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Uh-oh.
It was nasty too.
What were you wired down to?
5.23.
Oh, yeah.
But they're always ran at.
Yeah.
You know, I think go in there and get it.
Can I get a demo?
I think I got a sub going too.
Oh. You got LED lights in here?
Yeah.
Is everybody can see it just real quick? Nice. That's all right. Woo. What was the most meter-wise you ever got out of it with all the power you had when you had full power?
161.
Really?
Awesome. Yeah. When I get all 3 amps in here,
yeah,
all working condition.
Yep. Oh man,
it'll slam. I'm mad because I got a sub going and I didn't bring my recon.
You didn't?
I got them sitting at the house, but since I popped an amp, I was like, nah, I ain't gonna need them.
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Robert system called the Bass Avenger. He's got showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021 TDH show. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. He did a nice job. Really unique style system fitting 612s inside of here. I actually put previous videos, link in the description. This was the thumbnails of one of those. Actually, when he had 2 amplifiers, he also had a video with 3 amplifiers, and then another one where he had just a different type of 4th order. I've actually had 4 other videos in the last 5 years I've posted of his system. I recommend y'all checking those out after this demo. So, powerful for a single amplifier, an 8500 watt. I didn't really get a full rundown of equipment from him because if he's met me so many times, I can just show y'all the other videos for the full details. But I'll go ahead and tell you what he has. Audio Legion 8500. He has 6 DSS Etho 12-inch subwoofers inside, running some Mclaren and American-based speakers. He's got a fully Dynamated vehicle, custom fabricated and built into the vehicle enclosure for his 612's 4th order enclosure. He peaks at 42 hertz. He has a couple of Atwood cooling fans to cool the amplifiers. Currently, he's got 2 of the Audio Legion 4-channel amplifiers on around 90 amp hours of lithium with 2 270 amp alternators underneath the hood. And the wood that he used was a black Walnut Box wood style. So that's how he had that nice cool finish at the end. Couple of solid braces internally inside the box as well as inside the cabin to make sure he didn't glass break when he had all through those amps. Breaking over a 161 decibels on Team Bass Outlaws. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, Jacob Vile. Be sure to give him a like. He did a great job showcasing it, as well as I definitely recommend you checking out the other videos after this. I've got 4 other videos for you to see on this system. Enjoy. voltage don't move either. Really.
It's supposed to be a 15.6, but it's so warm.
Yeah.
It don't move.
Yeah.
It's just the warmth of it's bringing it down.
Yeah. That's really good voltage. You got LED lights in here?
Yeah.
So everybody can see it just real quick. Nice. That's all right. Woo. What was the most meter-wise you ever got out of it with all the power you had when you had full power?
161.
Really? Awesome.
Yeah. When I get all 3 amps in here,
Yeah.
all working condition,
Yep. Oh man.
it'll slam. I'm mad because I got a sub going and I didn't bring my recon.
You didn't?
I got them sitting at the house, but since
Yeah.
I popped an amp, I was like, nah, I ain't gonna need them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you again. Have fun today.
Try to.
Woo. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.